Installing the cab trim on this K10, pretty easy. Just takes a little bit of time. And gentle hand, that aluminum will bend just like that. It's really easy to bend. There's a way a lot easier to take off the cab trim. You just pull the back piece right off, but you just bend it up and it's not reusable in that case. The cab trim I took off the truck is in great shape, so I decided just to save it, and maybe one day I'll come across another one with a Chevy logo and probably put it back on. I like the Chevy logo, but a little bit more money, and right now the truck is just kind of clean. No logos except for the Chevy emblem on the front.
That bolt up there has to be removed, and the cab trim just comes right off. And that cab trim just gets pulled off. I'll show you now. So the cab mounts are held in by 3/8 tin nuts, and once you've accessed them using a 3/8 wrench, the cab corner just basically pulls right off, and that's what you get inside. These things right here, they just slide in and out, and that is pretty much taking off the cab corner. Now, gotta just take off that guy. So, this is a blunt tip magnetic screwdriver. Doesn't need to be magnetic. And you place it right on the tip of the metal, and you just kind of push and push. Okay, and you just push all the way off. Okay, so this one's already pushed. Kind of separate it. Oop. There we go. And then off, around. This one pushes up and out. This last one, let's see if I can show you again. Push it over without damaging your paint. Anyway, and it's over. Once it's up, the other one can move around. So, up. There you go. Alright, so this is the original Chevy piece. Just pulled off the cab corner. There. Showed how to do that. Just reach up inside there. Okay, that's how it's put on. That's the belt piece that went right up there. Cleaned it up. Now ready to put on the new piece from Brothers. And just came in a big long box. Well packaged and all. Definitely good. Comes with the new hardware, which I'm definitely going to use. The other one seems all out of it. And this is the nicely packaged. Now I got the plain because seems when you type in 1983, apparently the 83s had plain trim, and this truck is an 83, and apparently had it an 87 trim on there. So you gotta test fit it, make sure you got the right side on there. Kind of what it looks like. Yeah, and it'll be a definite upgrade. The other one's not in bad shape, has a couple of dings on that end there, but came off without damaging it really. But I only had one of these, and so I ordered the whole kit, because you don't want to put new fresh aluminum with old and weathered aluminum, of course. Alright, so the Brothers package comes with two of the end pieces, and it also comes with another belt strip. Yeah, a nice little Christmas card. Yeah, that's all she wrote. So right there, those are the new clips that come with the Brothers package. So this is the original part, and this is the Brothers part. Looks about right. And to put them on, hope you can see this real well. Just basically slide. All right, so this is the Brothers piece right here, right? Well, you get the idea. I'll do a couple more and I'll show you what I get to. Looking at them in this light, you can definitely see the difference between the new brushed aluminum and the old original brushed aluminum. Well, now what we gotta do is get this piece to match on this. Okay? So, I'm gonna pull this thing out. Yeah, that was easy. Okay, so you gotta kind of make sure it's aligned. Bam. There you go. You rock it in and spring just holds it tight. And you kind of align it on the body like that. So this is what the new one looks like. You get it over to here. Gotta put the bolt in, but get it nice and right.